The next question here is, what skills and qualities should be considered when hiring a junior designer? So this question I'm going to answer from the perspective of being someone who has hired junior designers. So if you're someone that sees themselves as a junior designer in the future, you'll want to pay attention to this answer. One of the biggest factors for me deciding on who I hire is who thinks like a business problem solver, not someone who is there to uplift their own ego and showcase how great they are at strategizing or coming up with these aesthetic solutions. That isn't going to really get you anywhere. What will get you somewhere in the realm of being a junior designer in UX is being able to articulate your ideas, being able to be someone that invites team collaboration, and be willing to say, I don't know what this is or what it means, but I'll do my best to figure it out. And then I'll be able to assess the situation and provide you with an assessment and potential solutions. Someone that speaks to that degree is someone that I will consider hiring, even if they prove that their skill set in creating prototypes isn't up to par, because I want to be able to work with somebody and lead someone that is moldable and willing to be a team player. So that's what I see, and that's what has worked for me in my career, and also as a design leader.